square, and no more angels dining at the Ritz. Not that you even seem to care. Over 6,000 years of friendship, you chose them over me. Guess all this time you were just fraternizing with the enemy. No more nightingales, no more shelter under your wing. Nothing left to say except goodbye. Now it all is clear to me, we could only end in tragedy. Wish I mattered more to you than choosing sides. Was it all fake? Thought I was someone to you. Guess my feelings must have blinded me. Thought if I kissed you, then I could make you see that you are my everything. I thought if they could do it, maybe we could do it too. Maybe we could quit pretending we aren't a team. But you wanna make a difference in a system that's indifferent. You idiot. We could have been us. No more nightingales, no more rescuing. Nothing left to say except good luck. Now it all is clear to me, we could only end in tragedy. Wonder why I ever gave a fuck. So if you're gonna leave, don't you dare forgive me, because I'm the one who's getting left behind. And don't you dare proclaim things like I need you, 'cause your actions show your words are just lies. No more nightingales, no more nightingales, 'cause why would birds sing when you're gone? And you're an idiot. We could have just been us. Should have seen this coming all along. No more nightingales, no more shelter under my wing. Nothing left to say except goodbye. Now it all is clear to me, we could only end in tragedy. Wish I mattered more to you